Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have here 4 over x times 4 over x, this is equals to x over 4. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. This question is very easy. Look carefully left hand side, 4 times 4 is 4 square and x times x is x square and this is equals to x over 4. Now here we will apply cross multiply, then x square is multiplied by x, then here x power 3 and this is equals to 4 square is multiplied by 4, then you will get 4 power 3. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x is equals to a and 4 is equals to b, then this expression is a cube, this is equals to b cube. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then a cube minus b cube and this is equals to 0. So first in left hand side we will make factor, and we know that the difference between two cubes is same as a minus b. This is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square and this is equals to 0. Here value of a is x and value of b is 4. So this a is replaced by x minus 4, and here a is replaced by x square plus a is replaced by x and b is replaced by 4 plus, and this b is also replaced by 4 square and this is equals to 0. In left hand side x minus 4, this is multiplied by here x square plus x times 4 is 4x plus 4 square is 16 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully in left hand side, if we say this expression is a and this expression is b, and if you apply this rule, if a times b this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Now here you can say x minus 4 this is equals to 0 or x square plus 4x plus 16 this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to 4. Let's say this is first solution x1, this is equals to 4. Now look carefully this quadratic equation, x square plus 4x plus 16 and this is equals to 0, then x square plus 4x and this plus 16, if we take right hand side then this is minus 16. Now if we add both side 4, then in left hand side this expression is perfect square and this expression is factorizable. Here if we apply middle term split, then x square plus 4x is 2x plus 2x plus 4 and this is equals to minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12. Now look carefully first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common x in first two terms, then you will get here x square divided by x, then here x plus 2x divided by x, then you will get 2 plus, and here if we take common 2, then 2x is divided by 2, then here x plus 4 divided by 2, then here 2 and this is equals to minus 12. Here x plus 2 and x plus 2 is common, so if we take common x plus 2 in left hand side, then you will get here x plus 2 and this is equals to minus 12. In left hand side x plus 2 times x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole squared and this is equals to minus 12. Now x plus 2 whole square this is equals to minus 12. Now if we apply this rule, if a square this is equals to b, this implies value of a is equals to plus minus square root of b. If we apply this rule here, then you can say x plus 2 this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 12. Now look carefully, in right hand side we have expression square root of minus 12 and this is same as square root of minus 1 into 12, and this expression is same as square root of minus 1 times square root of 12. Now square root of minus 1 is iota and here square root of 12 is same as square root of 4 times 3, and here iota times square root of 4 times square root of 3, and we know that square root of 4 is 2, so this is 2 times square root of 3 times iota. So here value of square root of minus 12 is same as 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Then here x plus 2, this is equals to plus minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Then value of x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Here three solution. First solution x1, this is equals to 4, and second solution x2, this is equals to minus 2, and if we take positive sign 2 times square root of 3 times iota, and third solution x3, this is equals to minus 2 if we take negative sign 2 times square root of 3 times iota. We have one real solutions and two imaginary solution. Here this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.